Welcome to my channel, Zhackixh. So today we will learn top 4 hacking apps for Android users. So first one is remote audio recorder. For that you have to go to the website, subscribe my channel. Website name is trackmyphone.com. I will provide you link in my description. You can see features of this application. Capture audio silent without the user getting to know. You can more than 40 minutes. 20 minutes is not you can record up to 40 minutes. Yeah, but you have to register your account with a fake email address or real email address. That depends on you. You have to download from here. Application is downloading in .apk file. Go to Play Store. You will not find either remote audio recorder. There are many fake applications here. So I suggest you to download this application from the website, official website. That would be great for you. Second web application name is BombItUp. It's a good another application for Android users. Yeah, sending SMS anonymously and free to anyone, to any country. UK, USA, India, Pakistan, Philippines, many countries. You have to download this application from the website. Website link will be given in app description. You can see the features you can download from here. Yeah, unlimited SMS, unlimited fun. Check out what you can do with this app. Easy to use, free to use, flexible use, protection list, many good features. Prank anyone at any time, no restrictions. Send multiple messages to anyone without letting them know. Yeah, this protection is another good feature. Save you from pranksters. As you can see, this application is not available in Play Store, so you have to download it from the website. There are many other fake applications. I didn't use any of them, but they are not good enough. Download APK file of the website. You should have a APK installer application in your mobile phone which will install all these APK files. Yeah, download it from here. G drive, fast download, slow download. The application is not downloading. 6.6 MB file. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, third application name is chat message tracker. Yeah, this is for your don't use for illegal purpose. You can download it from the Play Store. As you can see, I already downloaded in my laptop. Open it and you can see how many good and interesting features this application have. You will enjoy this application. Tag SMS, chat message. Read carefully. This will spy on your partner or your friend, on your girlfriend, or anything you want to prank or spy on someone. This application will read all the notification of messages, text messages, WhatsApp messages, Instagram messages, and will update you on your on your website account. When you log in to that website, all the notification details will appear on your laptop screen. You have to create a first email ID and pin all these, register yourself, install the app, register using email ID and pin. That's a easy way. uh, I will create specific videos on all these four applications, complete guidelines, how to set up a account and how to use that specific application. Stay connected. Well, I'm not responsible for your any illegal activity, okay? Yeah, so now we're gonna go to last one, which is fourth but not least, lucky Tok Tools. Yeah, if you want to increase your TikTok videos views from 0 to thousands, hundred thousands, millions, you can use this application. I don't own any of these application. I'm just suggesting you this is a good one. I personally use them. That's why. It's a simple application. You can download it from Play Store because it is available in Play Store. Yeah, I tried this one on my video. I will show you the results on the next video. Easy steps, easy 2 or 3 steps to follow, and then your views will be hugely increased. In my next video, I will explain all these applications with their feature and their working and how to set up. Thanks, take care.